Now, in this video, we're going to go through how to use IsoDraft. Now, for starters, we have to talk about what IsoDraft is for. IsoDraft allows us to draw on the isometric axes. So it allows us to draw on the front view, on the right side view, on the top view. It allows us to draw on those axes so that we can draw what appears as an isometric. So we're going to type IsoDraft and hit enter. And it's going to give us three options. Orthographic, which if you click on will do nothing because that's already our draft. That's already our grid. IsoDraft changes our grid. So we're going to hit IsoDraft again, and we'll hit isoplane. We see the options are left, top, or right. Top and right, that's top and right side view. Left, if you think about the views we use, that's going to represent our front view. And you look at the grid, and that's kind of like the plane of our front view. So if we wanted to draw a rectangle, we wouldn't just use the rectangle command because it still tries to draw a rectangle on a standard grid. We would draw it with lines. So let's say I wanted to draw a 2x4 front view. So I start at the origin, and then I go over here, and I'll make this go over 4 inches. And then I'm still in the line command. I'll just go up 2 inches. Then I'll go over here, 4 inches, and then I just need to connect it down over here. Okay. Now, let's say I wanted to draw my right side view. I would go into IsoDraft, and I'd click on isoplane right, and draw. I'll make this 2 inches. I'll go up 2 inches. I'll go back over here. And then I'll go into IsoDraft, and I'll draw on my top line here, 2 inches. I'll send this over, and I am done. I have a beautiful isometric. So all the IsoDraft does is it changes the grid that we're drawing on. We can step back to our standard orthographic grid. Now let's say we also wanted to draw an isometric circle on this. Let me just walk you through that again, like I did in today's lesson. So I'll hit on isoplane left because I'm going to draw a circle here. I'm going to type in ellipse, hit enter, and then I'm going to click over here in the command bar to indicate that I want to draw an isometric circle. I'll put it in the center of this, so I'm detecting the midpoint of this line and the midpoint of that line there. Ooh, I gotta try till the two of those intersect. Let's give me a little trouble here. Let me try that one more time. Ellipse, IsoCircle. Okay, midpoint detected, midpoint detected. There we go. And I'll set this to have a radius of 1 inch. Okay, cool. It did the whole length. That makes sense because this is 2 inches tall. Okay, so there we have it. It comes out looking just like the isometric circles we drew in our notebooks.